If you've been looking at the DEEPOWER QS7, you've probably noticed one thing. The specs look almost too good. So is this bike actually legit? Or is it just another overhyped electric bike? Let's take a quick look. The QS7 is a big fat tyre e-bike built for commuting and off-road riding. It comes with 20-inch by 4-inch tyres, front and rear suspension, and a 7-speed Shimano drivetrain. But the biggest selling point is the power. DEEPOWER lists a 1500-watt motor, with up to 90 Nm of torque. Depending on the battery version, you can also get a 28, 35Ah, or dual battery setup. And yes, the range claims are huge. The dual battery version is advertised for up to around 180 to 240 kilometers, depending on the version and riding conditions. But remember, real-world range can be much lower. Your weight, speed, terrain, and riding mode all matter. Now, here's what I like. The QS7 looks seriously tough. The fat tyres should give you good grip. The suspension should help on rough roads. And you get useful extras like lights, turn signals, and a rear rack. But there are downsides. This thing is heavy. Some versions are around 40 kilograms before you even consider how bulky the bike is. So carrying it upstairs is definitely not going to be fun. And I wouldn't blindly trust the maximum range claim. So, is the DEEPOWER QS7 a scam? Based on the available specifications and documentation, I wouldn't call it a scam. The company provides certification and product documentation for the QS7, but I would still check the exact battery, local regulations, warranty and return policy before buying.